Hi, my name is Bright Eyes, also known as Shamisoayano, and today I'm going to talk about this author. Her name is Crystal Wright, and her book is called Hair, Makeup, and Fashion Styling Career Guide. This is an awesome book. If you're a fashion designer or you want to be a fashion stylist, you want to do fashion, be a fashion stylist or do fashion styling, or you're a makeup artist, this is a very book. She talks about the ins and outs working as a fashion stylist. Okay, here I'm going to talk about the book by Crystal Wright, Hair, Makeup, and Fashion Styling Career Guide. So I was talking about this book. It's a really good book to have if you're a fashion designer, and she talks about how to market yourself. This is also a good book if you're a makeup artist or a makeup stylist. So I'm just going to briefly go over the book. Now this is an old book. She does have an updated book. I will put the updated book on my Amazon account. Here she shows you about companies that work in the industry, music, fashion, film. Here in the book it shows you how to go about doing your portfolio, how to contact these people who work in the industry, whether it's fashion, film, magazine, model agencies. Inside the book, she gives the list of names and the addresses where you could contact these people in fashion, and I believe it also lists like agencies that could help you market your clothing line or fashion business. Also had lists of model agencies in United States if you need a model for a runway or you need a model to do a photo shoot. This book has a list of them. This is an awesome book. It's a nice book to read, and it's a great book to go about if you want to be a fashion stylist, or it's a great book if you're a fashion designer and you need to market yourself. You need models to help with your clothing line. I've been through it. We all been through it. Like if you have a model, they promise they're going to show up and they don't show up. So here in chapter 2, she talks about tools of trades, and these are books and resources you could get to get in touch with these people who work in the industry. I know it's outdated now. But she did update her book. And she also talked about resources at the back of the book, of services. These things happen all the time, so you want to be prepared for those things. So that's what the books talk about. It's a great book. Every designer, every makeup artist, or every fashion stylist should have this book as a reference. It's an awesome book if you're interested in fashion styling or fashion designing, or you want to be a fashion model, or you want to market your clothing line. It's a great book to have. So I will recommend this book. Okay, and this is the book right here. So that is my review on this book. Just get your hands on it. Though I'm not gonna do, it also talks about how to get a job in fashion styling as well, how to present yourself. I am not, like, when I go on my channel, I don't just tell you any book is good. Like, if it's a good book, it's a very good book. I have tons of books that I buy. I love to read. I have tons of books, and if I don't like it, I'm not going to talk about it on my channel, okay? So it talks about how to work with model agencies, how to market yourself, how to get jobs, how to work in the industry. It's a great book. It's a book that everybody who's interested in fashion should have. It's a must-have book. Okay, so this is the book, Hair, Makeup, Fashion, Styling, Career Guide. Get your hands on this book. This is an older book. This is, I think, her first book that she wrote. But the recent books, I will list them on my Amazon store. So you could get this book on my Amazon store. So this is a great book if you want to figure out how to market yourself. Also, baby, you don't want to market yourself. You want to have people market your clothing line. Sell representative or marketing agency that can help you get noticed by buyers. This is a very, very good book. All right? So that's it for now. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.